Hello everyone. Now it's time to bake again bread. So look at the dough here. Yes. Nice. So this is my seven day baking bread. So now I need to punch this one, guys. So the container here is ready. That's for that. And the other one is because I make again 2 batch. So see you later. So here they are, guys. So around 4:10 time to bake. So nice nice dough. So the other one is, wow, look. So I need to divide this one into one only. So I have the table here. There. Okay. So let's start pounding here. Wow. Put it here in the table. Good. Sprinkle a little bit. Let's see. So that's it, guys. Now I need to put butter here. So that's the butter here. Okay, let's put now the dough here. There you go. Now time to put elastic. So here are the dough, guys. We'll wait till it 1 hour to bake. Okay, guys. Philip put butter. This is my 7 what do you call that one, Dylan?
7th time?
7 time baking bread. Oh, nice. Wow, nice. Nice color. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, wow, nice. Yay!
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Then the other one is
We just put the other one in, yeah. It'll be,
30 minutes.
yeah, well, 25 I've been going. I've been cutting it back just a little bit. And
Very nice.
they're coming out, see, a little bit better.
What did you do?
Well, 25 minutes.
25 minutes only?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, like I said, you learn. Every time you make a batch, you kind of learn a little bit. And we've got the recipe pretty well down pat. And like I said, it's, wow. As soon as it kind of cools down here a little bit, have a little bit, this will be,
Nainit ang tubig pa! So here is now the bread. Oh, wow, nice.
well,
There you go. Wow. It's not bad, Dile.
no, came out good.
Because we don't have electricity here, so it's a little bit dark here. But it's still 5:30 in the
Yeah,
5:20
good.
in the
We're set for
afternoon.
another.
There is a... Wow, nice. Very nice.
Yep.
That's still good. Nice bread again. This is good for 3 days consumption. Bye everyone. If you cut this one from here, oh, not that one because it's long. It won't fit to the bag, the Ziploc. That one because it's short. Okay. Another success bake. Bye everyone. Look.
Yeah, another successful.
Very nice bread. Very nice, what do you call this one? Bake.
Yep.
There's a grain.
Oh, like I said, it's basically perfect. Maybe a little bit. But
it's not hard. It's not
no.
There is an air can get inside there because it's fluffy. Fluffy. Okay, bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Lily.
Goodbye.
See you later.